But people talk about cap and tax and they aren't sure exactly what we're talking about. And let's get back to step one. What is the problem? Why do we have to have this tax in the first place? It's about carbon dioxide. Well, what is carbon dioxide? Let's just go to a fundamental question. Carbon dioxide, Mr. Speaker, is a natural byproduct of nature. Carbon dioxide is natural. It occurs in Earth. It is a part of the regular life cycle of Earth. In fact, life on planet Earth can't even exist without carbon dioxide. So necessary is it to human life, to animal life, to plant life, to the oceans, to the vegetation that's on the earth, to the fowl that flies in the air. We need to have carbon dioxide as a part of the fundamental life cycle of Earth. As a matter of fact, carbon dioxide is portrayed as harmful, but there isn't even one study that can be produced that shows that carbon dioxide is a harmful gas. There isn't one such study because carbon dioxide is not a harmful gas, it is a harmless gas. Carbon dioxide is natural, it is not harmful, it is a part of Earth's life cycle. And yet we're being told that we have to reduce this natural substance and reduce the American standard of living to create an arbitrary reduction in something that is naturally occurring in the earth. Well, we're told the crux of this problem is human activity. It's humans that are creating more carbon dioxide. Is that true or is that false? Well, carbon dioxide is a natural part of Earth's atmosphere, but carbon dioxide is perhaps 3% of the total atmosphere that's in the Earth. So if you take a pie chart and you have all of Earth's atmosphere, carbon dioxide is perhaps 3% of that total. What part of human activity creates carbon dioxide? If carbon dioxide is a negligible gas and it's only 3% of Earth's atmosphere, what part is human activity? Human activity contributes perhaps 3% of the 3%. In other words, human activity is maybe 3% contributing to the 3% of carbon dioxide that's in Earth's atmosphere. It's so negligible. It's a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a percent. It can hardly be quantified.
My good friend, the gentle lady from Minnesota, doesn't think there are any problems with the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It's interesting to listen to her say that something that was naturally occurring simply couldn't be harmful, ignoring the fact that we have the highest concentrations of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere for 2/3 of a million years. The consensus of the scientific community, not people making things up on the floor of the House, is that this has been profoundly influenced by human activity, starting with the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, where we started consuming huge quantities of coal, burning fossil fuels, accelerating that over time. The consensus of the scientific community is that this is, in fact, a serious problem.